Well, ahoy shipmates. It's 20 past 1 on Friday. We lose track of the days, and we've just docked out at Chichester Marina, and I'm sorry we didn't share that bit with you, because that was actually a lot more interesting than we thought it was going to be. We waited till free flow when they opened the gates and you can log and you can just go in and out, but there was still a lot of flow coming in, so they decided they were going to put us through the lock and close the gates, so we had to do the whole grabbing the ropes procedure thing. It only took about 30 seconds, I think. It seemed like a lifetime, but anyway, it was, well, it wasn't very spectacular, but it was more interesting than listening to me blah 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 as I floated down the river. So I'm sorry you missed that one. If you ever come back through a lock, we'll show that one to you again. Other people do locking movies a lot more professionally than we do, so...
It was our first one.
It was our first one, yeah, so it would have been a nice one to share. Anyway, windy day today, but actually at the moment, with the wind behind us and being a fairly sheltered part of Chichester Harbour, it's quite pleasant. We're just turning down to Itchenor Reach, so we've got about a mile down here to go. Then we get to a South Cardinal beacon and turn right up the Emsworth channel, and next stop about 8 miles away is going to be Emsworth Yacht Harbour. So we'll share that bit with you when we get to it. Anyway, bye for now.
Here in Medini, no way.
made it. Well done us.